Hey guys, it's Kate. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for joining and clicking on the video. Yeah, as you can see, today's look is a very dramatic, bold, winged eyeliner with very smoked out and red lip. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like the content that I'm putting out, even though I am absolutely terrible at uploading. Like, I'll have videos literally edited for days or like weeks. Like, I have one right now while I'm filming this one. I literally can't talk today. I can never talk. What's new? I literally have a video sitting on my computer right now that I have not uploaded yet, and it's been there for literally 2 weeks. Maybe close to, like, maybe 2 weeks, week and a half, something like that. But yeah, if you are liking the content that I'm putting out, even though there is not much of it, feel free to subscribe and all that good stuff. So if you guys are liking what you're seeing, then watch the rest of the video and find out how to do it. So first I'm going to start with the Basket Case Anti-Precision Eyeliner from Kat Von D. This is the collaboration with Billie Joe Armstrong from Green Day. And I'm going to start by using that and applying it to my lower lash line, and I'm going to smudge that out. Also, you can use any kind of like crayon, like eye crayon or like eyeliner to do this. I just like this one personally because it's what I have, and it's also a little bit bigger, and the product is really creamy in my opinion. I also winged out a little bit. I'm going to use a brush and blend it out that way anyway, but just to get it a little bit started. And I'm just using a small, like, I think that's a lip brush, but like detailing brush of some sort, and just smudging it out and pulling the product out towards the tail of my eyebrow. And then I'm going to take a matte black eyeshadow. I'm using the shade Jet from the Kat Von D Metal Matte palette. And I'm taking that on a flat kind of shader brush. This is from the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and it's Step 3 Go Girl Go. That is what the brush is called. I'm just taking a little bit of the shade Jet, or any black eyeshadow that you have, and I am applying it on top of the eyeliner. And then once that is as thick and as dark and blown out as you want it to be, then you can go ahead and move on to the eyelids. I am out of eye primer, so I'm just using a concealer and just using a little tiny bit on my lid and just blending it out with my finger. Probably should have did this before I put the black down, but that's okay because we're going to be putting the liner over there anyway. We can always add more shadow. And then I'm taking the Morphe B13 brush and a little bit of a face powder. It's a highlighting powder from the Kat Von D Shade Plus Light contour palette, which is the one that I'm holding. And it's this shade right here. The one that's farthest to the left, I believe it is, yeah, Lucid. And I'm just patting that over where I put the concealer down so it doesn't crease up and the eyeshadow goes on a little bit easier. So the next for shadow, I'm going into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here. It is, don't mind my nails, they're like chipping and like gross, but it is a light, very light brown, beige kind of shade, if you will. I'm using the same brush and just patting it over my lid, all over. This isn't a super, like, for the lid, it's not a super structured look. There's not a ton of color or like placement going on. It's just kind of smoky and it gives like some sort of color, so it's not totally unbalanced with the bottom. And then I'm taking the Morphe M505 brush, and I'm going into this shade, which is right below the first shade that we used. It's this shade right here. It's a little tiny bit darker. I feel like I'm repeating myself a lot. I don't know. And just applying that on the lid as well, not going as far up as the first shade. So now we are done with eyeshadow, and I'm going to move on and do my eyeliner. And I always start with the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper, just because it gives me a really nice precise line that I can go ahead and fill in with a more liquidy, opaque eyeliner. Cannot think of my words today, they're not coming out very well. But I'm gonna go ahead and tight line my lid, or kind of tight line it, and follow the line that we already created with the eyeshadow. And connecting it. I find that if I just go quick and I don't really think about what I'm doing, my liner comes out a little bit better. So then once I get the outline of my eyeliner the way I like it, I'm going in with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and I like this liner because it's super watery and very opaque, and it just fills in my liner the way, it just fills in my liner very well. And then I'm going to go back in with the tattoo liner from Kat Von D, and I'm going to do the little inner corner thing. I'm going in with the Wander Beauty Unlashed Mascara, and just applying that to my eyelashes before I put my fake eyelashes on. And then I'm going in with the Pure Pro eyelashes in the style Bombshell, and just popping them on to my eyes really quick. And then to finish up the eyes, I'm going back in with the Basket Case liner, and I'm doing my waterline. And then I already did my foundation and contour off camera just because it's not that interesting. But I'm going to do the rest of my face makeup on camera. So first I'm going in with the Becca Cosmetics Mineral Blush in Songbird. It looks like this. And I'm taking that on a Luxie 640 Pro Precision Tapered brush. And just taking a little bit of that and just kind of like dusting it onto my cheeks and draping it along my contour, my cheekbone. I like this brush because it's like very loose, so it doesn't apply a ton of product, because I don't like a lot of blush personally. For highlight, I'm actually going to take an eyeshadow. This is the Blink BoxyCharm Electric Eyes palette. Obviously came in a BoxyCharm, and it's 5 eyeshadows, and I'm using this one on this side, and I'm taking that on a Morphe M501. This is like a tapered like highlighting brush, and I'm taking that and applying it to my cheekbones. So then for lipstick, I am taking the Urban Decay Comfort Matte lipstick in the shade Temper. It is kind of like a I have like makeup on my hand. It's kind of like a orangey red. I think it's super pretty. So I'm not used to wearing like orangey colors because I could never wear it because it looked weird because I had orange hair. I like orange. It was like a coppery red, so kind of orange. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you guys liked the video, liked the look, then feel free to leave a like and a comment. I don't know. I don't have too much to say. Guess I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.